Our Earth has a super heart with enormous energy. It is a place where magma is violent and the temperature is comparable to that of the sun. No life form can survive here. This is a cruel world that is completely beyond our imagination. It has a resounding name, the Earth's core. Today, let us go deep into the interior of the Earth to uncover the mysterious world that has been shrouded in darkness and that we have never truly understood. Hello everyone, welcome to the Mystery P2. The Earth's core is the inner core of the Earth with a radius of about 3,470 kilometers. Its mass accounts for about 31.5% of the entire Earth's mass, and its volume accounts for about 16.2% of the Earth's volume. Such a small core contains enormous energy because its density is much higher than other parts of the Earth. It provides a stable center of gravity for the Earth and affects the Earth's rotation and revolution. In 1879, German physicist Emil Johann Weishater proposed a two-layer Earth model and believed that the Earth's interior has a higher density iron-nickel core, and this iron-nickel core plays an important role in protecting billions of organisms on Earth. His theory also laid the foundation for later core research. Scientists have discovered that the Earth's core is divided into two parts. The outer core is liquid, and the inner core is solid. The depth of the liquid outer core is between 2,900 kilometers and 5,000 kilometers, and the depth of the inner core between 5,100 kilometers and 6,370 kilometers. The temperature of the outer core is 4,000 degrees Celsius, and the highest temperature of the inner core reaches over 6,000 degrees Celsius. The heat of the core mainly comes from the residual heat from the formation of the Earth, as well as the frictional heating between the Earth and the Sun, the Moon, and other planets. Another important reason is the heat generated by the decay of radioactive elements, which accounts for about 90% of the temperature of the Earth's core. This heat causes volcanic eruptions and frequent earthquakes. In 2006, Australian scientist Bernard Ford proposed that the core may contain rich gold. Its gold reserves account for 99% of the total gold reserves on Earth. If this is true, then the core of the Earth is a huge treasure trove of gold. However, the high temperature and high pressure of the core of the Earth are daunting. Scientists' experimental results show that the pressure of the outer core is equivalent to 1.36 million atmospheres, and the inner core reaches 3.6 million atmospheres. These pressures are like countless invisible monsters squeezing everything on the Earth. In such an extreme environment, the possibility of survival of organisms is almost zero because it is a forbidden zone for life. The reason why billions of organisms on our Earth can continue to reproduce has a lot to do with the core of the Earth, because the Earth's magnetic field is mainly generated by liquid iron and nickel in the core, and the Earth's veins and the Earth's magnetic field is like a protective shield for the Earth. It can weaken the radiation of cosmic rays to life on Earth. It protects the creatures on Earth from being harmed by these high-energy particles. It also protects the Earth's atmosphere from being attacked by the solar wind. If there were no Earth's magnetic field, the Earth's atmosphere would be gradually stripped away by the solar wind. At that time, the Earth would become a desolate planet like Mars. Scientists have discovered that the Earth's core is currently cooling down, and one day it will stop functioning. Once the core has completely cooled down, the Earth's magnetic field will also gradually disappear. But this is a very long process, and it will take hundreds of millions of years or even longer. Therefore, we don't have to worry about the cooling of the Earth's core. Humankind's current technological development is advancing with each passing day. Perhaps in millions of years, humans have already left the solar system.